Alright, hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to install the Windows version of Celtx on Linux Mint. It can be installed on Ubuntu. Both Ubuntu and Linux Mint are Debian distributions. But with Ubuntu, it's a little different process because like everything's rearranged differently and stuff like that. So first thing you have to do is install Wine. Wine stands for Windows is not an emulator. So, or no, it's not Windows. What does it stand for? Wine. Wine is not an emulator. That's what it stands for. Once you've installed Wine, it's really easy. Just Google install Wine on Linux Mint, and it'd be like the first link or second link over there. Somebody's gonna post instructions of how to do it, and it's basically through your terminal. You just copy and paste the commands in order that they give it to you, and just paste it in your terminal. Push enter, follow the screens. I'm assuming if you have Linux Mint installed, you know how to use the terminal. So once that's installed, you have to reboot your computer after you install Wine. Then you install the Celtx program. And the way you do that, that's my program right there. Right there. So what I do is put my mouse on it, click with your right, and right there you'll see Open with Windows Program Loader. And once you do that, it literally loads like it would, like in Windows. It installs, and you just follow the prompts and install it. Okay. So theoretically, you're done. You have to reboot. You actually have to reboot the laptop after you've installed it, and then it would actually work. However, you have to install the Courier font because it doesn't have Courier fonts on here. So, and if it just doesn't look right, the fonts look off. So what you got to do is you got to go to software. You got to go to this software. Sorry, my laptop is slow and it's hard to film while typing. Alright, there we go. So right here you stick in Wine, just search for Wine, and there's a little program called Winetricks. It looks like it's the third one down right there. It's called Winetricks, and just push install. Okay. Alright, so I have to put my password in for that. I've already installed the fonts on here, so I'm just reinstalling this program just to show you how to install the fonts. Because right after you install I'm going to launch. Right after you install the Corefonts, that's it. You can uninstall this. So right here it says select the default wine prefix, push OK, and then right here it says install a font. Click on that, install a font, push OK. My font is already, you go down, it's the one that says Corefonts, MS Arial, Courier, Times Fonts, all of that. See, for me over here it says cached. Where's status? Because I've already installed it. But if you push OK, it's going to install the fonts. I don't know how many fonts there are, 10 or so. And what's going to happen is it's got a bug in it where after it installs, it's going to give you an error. And it's going to give you like 10 errors. So every time you put OK, then an error pops up, another error. OK, and another error pops up. It's going to do that like 10 times. Okay. Once you go through all the errors, it's going to be like, I don't know, 10 errors, I guess. And there's like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 seconds in between the errors. Once you've done that, it's going to come back to this window, right? You can just put cancel. You can put the second window, you push cancel, and then you can literally go ahead and just remove this program because you're done with it. You've installed the Corefonts. You do not need Winetricks unless you want to have it on your laptop or your desktop for whatever reason you want to have it. Then you don't have to remove it. But all you need it for is to install the Corefonts, and then you can just remove it. So that's it. Now that's it. That's done. I have a script here. I'm gonna load it up. Oh wait, that's a PDF file. Okay, here we go. The script. So So as you can see, there's my script. Celtx is already installed on my computer. So, and that's when you know it's installed, is it puts a Celtx icon on the screen, on the main window on the desktop. So then you know it's installed. My laptop is slow, so sorry. Should pop up any time now. Okay. Oh, it already popped up. Did I already have it? Okay, let me try this again. I think I already had it open. Don't save. So let's do it again. I think I already had it open, I just didn't realize it. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Screenplay. And then I'm going to make this huge. And there you go. There it is. And the fonts are correct and everything on it. And it's literally just like Windows. It looks a little different. The Windows, it seems like on the Windows everything's a little bit more rounded and stuff. Well, this takes the effects of Linux Mint. So it just looks, you know, the icons and everything look a little different, but it works exactly the same. I love this program. I've been using it for like 10, maybe more than 10 years. And so far I think it's the best program out there for screenwriting. I've tried other programs and nothing works quite as this. So I like to be able to continue using it. It's buggy because it's like a 10-year-old program, and Celtx, I don't know, 2008, I guess 2009 is the last time they've actually launched the program, and then they switched over to cloud, and everything's on the cloud for them now, which is kind of sad because it's not even the same program anymore. I loved it the way it was here, so I still use it. It does have bugs. One of the bugs is right at the bottom is you go typeset PDF, so it has to be connected to the internet to be able to turn your script into a PDF. Right here, you just have to click dismiss. Don't click on Get Celtx Studios. It says time to upgrade to Celtx Studios. No, you don't time to upgrade. You just put dismiss. Here's your PDF. You want to save your PDF? Click on Save PDF. Now here's the bug. If you change the name here, it's not going to save it. You literally have to just save as and just put save. Don't change the file name at all. Just put save. There you go. File already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, let's replace it. Alright. And here it is. PDF file of my script. There you go. So, yeah. That's it. The reason why I wanted to do this is because I've never tried it, but I don't think that works fine in Windows 7, Celtx, but I didn't want to pay for Windows, and I had some old laptops. Like, this is a really old laptop, and I love it because it actually has a full HD screen, and there was no reason for me to give it up because there was nothing wrong with it. It had Windows XP on it, and it was just not working good anymore, and blah blah blah. So I installed a Linux operating system on it, and I was happy to see that Celtx works. So that's it. That's all I have to say. If you guys have any questions, just message me through YouTube, and I'll try to get back to you ASAP. All right. Over and out.